Looking to upgrade your kitchen with a powerful blender in 2025? Whether you're making smoothies, hot soups, or crushing ice in seconds, Ninja has a solution for everyone. In this video, we'll explore the top 3 Ninja blenders that deliver premium performance, durability, and smart features. Let's dive in. 1. Ninja Foodi Heat IQ Blender. Model HB150C/HB152. Hourglass not done duration, 50 seconds. This is not your regular blender. The Ninja Foodi Heat IQ Blender is designed for more than just cold drinks. With a built-in 800-watt heating element, it can actually cook while it blends. Perfect for making hot soups, sauces, or even hot chocolate in minutes. It includes 12 intelligent auto IQ programs that handle everything from sautéing to blending with just one touch. The 64-ounce glass pitcher is durable and easy to clean, and the touchscreen control panel makes operation simple. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just want a quick hot meal, this blender brings smart cooking to your countertop. 2. Ninja Professional Blender 1000-watt Model BL610. Hourglass not done duration, 45 seconds. Powerful, reliable, and super easy to use. That's the Ninja Professional 1000W blender. It features a robust 1000-watt motor that can crush ice, frozen fruits, and vegetables within seconds. The 72-ounce pitcher is great for making large batches for family and guests. Its total crushing blades deliver consistent smooth textures, ideal for smoothies, frozen cocktails, and sauces. If you want high performance without breaking the bank, this classic Ninja blender is a top choice. 3. Ninja SS101 Foodi Personal Smoothie Maker. Don't let the compact size fool you. The SS101 Foodi Smoothie Maker packs serious power with a 1,200-watt peak motor. It's built for single-serve convenience, but performs like a full-size blender. With smart torque technology, it handles thick blends like nut butters or smoothie bowls without stalling. You get 2 blend modes, one for creamy drinks, another for thick textures. And it comes with nutrient extraction cups that let you blend and take your drink on the go. Perfect for fitness lovers, busy professionals, or anyone who wants healthy options fast. So, whether you need hot soups, party-sized smoothies, or personal power blends, Ninja has the right blender for you. Check out the product links in the description below and upgrade your kitchen with confidence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart product reviews.